Hello everybody, another video. Today is we are test driving Citroen Dispatch 69 plate, which came in with the AdBlue and DPF faults. All the problems has been solved. We are test driving with the owner driver. Sir, what can you tell us about your car? How was it before and how is it driving now?
Yeah, I mean, it got to a point where it was totally defective before and wouldn't work at all. Now it's like driving a new van, so I'm very pleased indeed. Yeah, couldn't recommend the service highly enough.
How does your car drive really? I mean, do you have any engine light, anything?
No, nothing at all.
Nothing at all?
Nothing at all. It's
So
like
what's the performance like?
brilliant, yeah.
Brilliant.
It's gone from a snail to an
Would you
absolute
say
rocket.
it is more responsive?
Yeah, it like I say, it feels like a brand new van. It feels absolutely
Black
fantastic.
or white smoke?
Neither.
Neither.
Yeah.
Okay. So, shortly and briefly, are you happy?
Yeah, I'm really
Excellent.
happy with the service.
We have another happy customer from Moorhouse Garage, Supreme.dpfcleaning.com, located in Westerham, Kent. We are specialized and master engineers for DPF, EGR, AdBlue, NOx, turbo, injectors, and diagnostic center, RAC, car repair center we are. Also Ghost Immobiliser fitting center. You can reach me on 07533 636 194 with your DPF, EGR, AdBlue, NOx, black or white smoke, high fuel consumption and power loss problems. Thanks for watching. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.